Hello and welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to discuss about psychedelic drugs, and these are the class of drug that is responsible for triggering psychedelic experience, or we can say that mind-viewing experience that causes and changes in the visual and auditory changes. The drugs are same like we discussed before. They are subclassified as psychedelics. LSD, phencyclidine, and magical mushroom, they are underclassified broadly as hallucinogens. And it is also these drugs are responsible for psychedelic experience, or we discussed in the previous lecture about the fantastica. So they are also classified under psychedelic drugs. And the biggest example, I'm giving you the same example with one of these pictures that I'm going to show you. These are 7 different pictures using 7 different drugs. Same that I already discussed in the previous lecture, that how these drugs are psychedelic, how they produces a changes. And when you take a look of this picture on the left side, the picture that has been showing to you, this picture. So this first picture is a normal picture, that is normal vision under the normal circumstances. Then the second picture is under the influence of alcohol. Then if a person take cannabis, then it look like blurred vision. Then the fourth one is using the LSD effect. If someone take LSD, then if someone take prolonged use of LSD, it more look like a bright pictures. Then with the use of heroin, 6 and 7 is showing you that the effect of the heroin. And if prolonged use of heroin can lead to the visual disruption and can lead to the complete blurred vision. So you can see that how these drugs can produce psychedelic drugs. I found one of the article is very interesting. we talk about the psychedelic drugs, there is one point that has been clearly mentioned, that these psychedelic drugs can produce altered state of consciousness. If you read the definition, it triggers psychedelic experience, change the visual, change the auditory, change the thought, and then this is the point, the altered state of consciousness. So that need to explain more that what is consciousness. It can be explained in like that, the state where you are being aware what is surrounding you. For example, if under normal circumstances, now I'm for example presenting the video, I know that I have laptop in front of me, I have the desk, I have left side two theses that I have present, then I have one glass of water, then I have my webcam. So I'm sitting on a chair, I know the surroundings beside me, what are the things, that is the consciousness. You are aware that what is surrounding you. But what these drugs are doing, then one person takes the drug, he forgot what is around you, and it just like this picture showing you that tripping effect is explained in terms of the colors, the visual colors, the change of the colors, change of the view, change of the things, and the table look like maybe he's moving, he's talking to you. So when you take these drugs, you are not aware of your surrounding, and that produces in the impact. And when we talk about unconsciousness, even when you are at daydreaming or you are sleeping, you are not completely under consciousness. So, but when you wake up, then you know around your surrounding, what is around you, what are the things around you. So I mentioned what is altered state of consciousness, that level of awareness has been lost, perception distortion, cognitive distortion, self-control has been lost, time orientation, people don't know what is the time, morning, evening, or afternoon. Our emotional awareness has been lost. So these are the all altered state of consciousness that has been occurred while taking this drug. When we compare the two terminologies, especially fantastica and deliriums, what is the difference between them? Fantastica is capable of altering the perception while allowing the person to remain in communication with the world. So in case of fantastica, person that are taking the drug, they are aware of the consciousness, they are aware of the surrounding, but the perception has been altered. And the individual under the influence of these drugs often aware of both fantasy and the real world. So they know the fantasy and real world, and then they can talk with both of them. Whereas when we talk about the deliriums, these have a tendency to produce mental confusion and loss of touch with reality, and they have a wide effect on the brain. The drugs that under this classification are phencyclidine, Datora, or belladonna. So thank you so much for today's lecture. Hope to see you again.